On today's body cam, we're checking out police surprise woman at home after she destroys mom's car in hit and run crash.
On June 28, 2024, police received a call of a driver committing a hit and run that ended up causing significant damage to their vehicle.
Heard something, got up, looked, and the sound was
you weren't in the accident. You just heard. I got you. Okay.
No.
I'm like, what?
We heard it, and then
I got you.
my
Okay.
neighbor Ruben here saw the lady stop and get out.
Okay.
I got a piece of her car up in my yard here.
Okay.
But she's down at 748 Weeping Willow, I think. I went down there. Car's there, doors open, front end's hanging off of it.
Is she in the RAV4?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Let me get this.
Where's the piece of car? Did she seem drunk or something? Or what?
Well, she almost had to be if she missed that turn.
Yeah.
She was going this way. Ruben said she stopped just out of that driveway up there and got out and looked at her car and then jumped in and drove off.
All right.
Unbelievable.
How much further down is she?
If you take a right here, it's down there. I'd say 3.
What's the numerics?
748 Weeksville.
Okay. Gotcha.
Probably 400 or 500 yards.
748. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yep. Police. Hey. I got a piece of your vehicle out here.
A piece of my vehicle?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What did you do?
Yeah. What happened?
I don't know. It's my daughter's. She just got home.
Is she around?
She's in the shower.
Has she been drinking?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie.
Hmm?
Yeah, I said yes. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God, what did she get?
She ran over a stop sign. Give me a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Where did it happen at?
At the corner, when you turn left to come down, not this road, but the main road coming in, where you take a left on whatever that one is.
You're not going to believe this. I was just watching videos of, I watched the police thing.
Yeah.
And it was part down to getting a woman for going to the cars. And then when I heard this knock, I thought, oh no. But she just came in and I just let her have it. Because I told her, I said, it's okay.
Mom said she was just watching court shows, or no, she was just watching police videos, whatever. See, she wasn't watching me. All right. I started body cam in 2024, but in August of 2024. 2 months before I started. Well, really, like a month and a half. Damn. Thought she was watching me.
Call me. Just call me. I'll come get you.
Where is she at now?
She's still in the shower.
Okay.
You need to see her?
Yeah, I do.
You're going to arrest her?
I don't know yet. I mean, right now, yes, I can arrest her for hit and run.
Can you give her a ticket to appear?
Ticket to appear for a hit and run? Come on, Mom. Mom, I'm rocking with you now, but hey, you starting to listen, you starting to talk crazy now. You starting to talk crazy.
But I need to see her.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me go get her.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. You got your ID on you?
Yes.
Okay.
I think your car's kind of messed up.
How much you got to drink tonight?
2 or 3.
2 drinks.
You said what now?
2 or 3.
2 or 3 drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
More like 4 or 5.
Do you remember hitting the stop sign or what?
No.
No. Okay. Do you consent to doing field sobriety test?
Yep.
Okay. All right, come on over here.
Come on, Mom. You supposed to tell your daughter no.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you wearing contacts or anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay, keep your feet together.
Okay.
Place your hands down by your side. I'm going to check your eyes. I want you to keep your head still. Just look straight at me. I want you to follow the stimulus with your eyes only. Focus on the stimulus until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, that's right.
Oh, she's a crier. I could tell. Look at this.
Okay, just watch it. Okay. Okay. This one. Oops, keep looking up.
Yep.
Okay. Just keep your eyes open. Okay. Okay. All right.
My bad. That pen doing magic tricks, man. Make you cry. That pen got some powers in there, boy. She trying to hold it in, but it's over. She knows she cooked. Hit and run.
Okay, what we're going to do is it's called a walk and turn. All right. What I need you to do is imagine there's a line out in front of you like this. You can step right to the front of your vehicle right there. Okay. You're going to step right out over here. Right there for me, okay? All right, place your left foot on the line. Okay. Then put your right foot out in front of it so you can, your toes are touching heel to toe, okay?
Okay.
Keep your hands at your side. And what you're going to do is you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until you reach 9. And you're going to turn like this, coming back. Continue back on 1, 2, 3, counting aloud as you go until you reach 9. Okay, do you understand the instructions?
Will you be better taking your shoes off? I'm okay.
You can take your shoes off if you like.
No, Mom, it would be better if she was not doing field sobriety tests. That's what you should be saying, Mom.
All right, put your right foot in front of your left.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you can begin.
Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, hell nah. Yeah, she's fried, boy. Scrambled eggs, man. Scrambled eggs with cheese, man. She's egg salad. Her ass is cooked, man.
Okay,
Rotisserie chicken.
9.
Okay, come on back.
Okay.
No, you have to keep it, continue back. Mom,
I'm sorry.
it's okay.
Yeah, Mom interfering and everything.
What do I do? I'm sorry.
Okay, come on back over here, ma'am.
Okay.
Come on back over here in front of the car. What we're going to do is the last one, okay? It's a one-leg stand, okay?
Yes, sir.
What you're going to do is stand with your feet together in front of you, arms down at your side like this. Do not begin until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When I tell you to, you'll raise one leg approximately 6 inches off the ground, flat to the ground. And you'll go 1001, 1002 until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So to keep your legs together, keep your hands at your side,
Yes, sir.
and look at the elevated foot. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1000. Sorry.
Okay.
Can I try the other foot?
That's fine.
Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a wrap. This is a wrap.
Okay, Jamie. So you're under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
Okay.
So I need you to put your hands behind your back, okay? You want to put your shoes on?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Do you want to at least put on a bra? I'm okay.
Have you ever had a DUI before?
Yes, sir.
No?
No.
Okay, so you'll be able to get a bond tonight, okay?
Okay. So what do I need to do?
I'll tell you in just 1 second, okay?
You don't need to do anything.
Now put your hand. There you go.
come get you out. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm gonna double lock it, okay?
Yes, sir.
And you know,
Mom said, what do I need to do? Man, you better start dialing an attorney in the morning. Y'all good for now, but hey, in the morning, y'all better get to it, boy. Cause this ain't looking good. This is not looking good at all. Damn, man. Mom, you watch the court shows? I mean, not the court show. Why I keep saying court shows? You watch the crime TV, you know, the officer shows and stuff like that, you know, the body cam shows. You know better. You know your daughter should not be doing no field sobriety test. She going to jail regardless, but man, yo, they just stacked on some major evidence after they watched this body cam of her doing field sobriety test, boy.
you don't have any weapons or anything on you, do you? Okay, I just have to go around your waistband, all right?
Yes,
Using
sir.
the back of my hand. Okay, all right. Can you come out to my car for me? Come on out this way, okay?
Oh, Mom, I'm so sorry. I love you.
Yeah,
It's okay. Come on down this way here.
Okay.
Big Bertha down there waiting on you.
I'm so sorry. I don't need to be like
Central.
this. I'm so sorry.
1095. Okay.
Oh my God. I'm going in the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
It's okay. Just careful getting in, okay? Careful, careful. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on 1 second. I'm going to get you a piece of paper I got to read you, okay?
The woman was charged with damage to property, a DUI, and leaving the scene of a crash. Thanks for watching.
Hey, she just better be glad she didn't have to stay the whole, you know, stay in there for a long time. You know, she'll be able to get a bond, get right out. But boy, Bertha down there waiting on you, boy. Better be in and out. That bond better be quick now.